So about a year ago, I decided that I wanted to learn code. And up to that point, I believed that to be a good coder, you had to have a computer science major or some sort of math background. However, it wasn't until I learned the things that I will talk about in this video that I finally changed my mind about this opinion. And the good news is you don't need to go to university or even a boot camp to be a top coder nowadays. I was a new coder and I believed that you needed the formal education. But firstly, why do we believe these things? The first reason is that schools give you more connections. You learn a lot more in university campus through standardized courses and just in general having access to a professor. In addition, many of us think that learning on our own is too complex and that it is too hard and too much of a commitment to hold ourselves accountable to learn on our own. And although those comments are plausible, every single one can be compensated in some way, shape, or another through teaching yourself how to code. Firstly, if you have an ounce of discipline and hard work, like I did, you can literally learn anything in programming. You can set a standard curriculum online and learn anything you need to online. There are thousands of free courses online like Free Code Camp, the Odin Project, CS50, and standard tutorials on YouTube. Simply put, the amount of content online, both on YouTube and the internet, gives self-taught coders the platform to learn whatever they want in however long they want. And personally, when I was making my decision to choose what path I wanted to take, I had the three options of a boot camp, a university, and just self-taught. And what I learned is that not only are you saving hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by taking the self-taught route, by being self-taught, not only are you a better problem solver, but you're a self-motivator and self-directed person, all of which are key components of being a great coder. In some way, everyone is a self-taught coder. Yes, we may get our education differently. One may get it from a boot camp, one may get it from a professor, and one may get it from the Indian guy on YouTube. But typically, we learn the same amount of content. And a good coder comes down to who can solve the problem the best and how often you code. Rather than seeing self-taught or boot camp as one that's better, in general, it doesn't matter. If you can solve a problem better than someone else, and if you can program that better, then typically it no one cares. As long as you can solve problems and get shit done, I promise no one will care.